Directors, respected principal ma'am, all worthy teachers, and my dear friends, first of all, great morning to all of you. My name is Arnafama Boy. I study in 7th standard in Sunrise Foundation School. Today I am here for speech, and my topic is air. Our earth is surrounded by the huge blanket of the air called atmosphere. If there will be no atmosphere on the earth, then we will get baked into the day and get frozen in the night time. So let's discuss about what is atmosphere. Our earth is surrounded by the full huge blanket of the atmosphere. There are many gases present in the atmosphere, such as nitrogen, oxygen, helium, carbon dioxide, etc. There are two gases which make the plentiful gas. First, nitrogen. It is the first plentiful gas that is used by the plants for making proteins. Second, oxygen. Oxygen is the second plentiful gas which is used by the human and animals for breathing. Carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide, helium, hydrogen, argon. Apart from these are present in very less amount. Carbon dioxide is the another gas which is used by the plants for making their food, and the plant take carbon dioxide and they give us oxygen in the return. If there will be no oxygen and there will be no carbon dioxide, so our balance will get disturbed. Burning of fossil fuels, coals increase the large amount of carbon dioxide or billions of the carbon dioxide tons into the atmosphere. By this way, our atmosphere get disturbed. So at last, I want to say that plant more and more trees. From this, there are many gases present in our atmosphere like troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere. Troposphere, it is the first layer. After the troposphere, there is the layer stratosphere. It lies between the 80 to 400 kilometers. Mesosphere is the third layer of our atmosphere. Fourth, thermosphere. Thermosphere is the fourth layer of the atmosphere. Fifth, exosphere. Exosphere is the last layer of our atmosphere. The humidity is at very high level. The air, in the water vapor, the air are not able to survive. And second, I will tell you about the composition of air. Oxygen. Oxygen is present in 21%. It is used by the plants and animal. It is essential for burning. Second, carbon dioxide. It is used by the plants for inhaling. Third, nitrogen. Nitrogen is the gas which is used by the plants for making the proteins, dust, and other microparticles. These are present in the air. Fourth, argon. This is present in very less amount, and argon is also used in bulbs. Last, I want to say about the ozone layer. Ozone layer is the layer in which prevent us from the harmful UV radiations from the sun. If there will be no ozone layer, we will get baked and get frozen in the night time. I hope you understood this topic. Thank you. Have a nice day.